Dubai Marina, situated in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, is a captivating man-made canal area renowned for its luxurious waterfront lifestyle, upscale apartments, and impressive skyscrapers. The vibrant district offers a unique blend of modernity and elegance, attracting visitors with its picturesque setting along the canal. Accessibility to Dubai Marina is exceptionally convenient, with various transportation options available for travelers. The area is well serviced by the Dubai Metro and tram systems and taxi boat, providing easy connectivity to other parts of the city such as Jumeirah Beach Residence Beach, also known as Dubai Marina Beach, 10 to 15 minutes by tram. Dubai International Airport, 1 hour 15 minutes by metro. Dubai Downtown, just under 1 hour by metro. Palm Jumeirah, 30 minutes by tram or 1 hour 30 minutes by Dubai Ferry. Dubai Design District, 30 minutes by taxi boat. Additionally, Dubai Marina boasts pedestrian-friendly zones like Marina Walk and the nearby JBR Walk, allowing visitors to explore the area on foot comfortably. For those driving, ample parking facilities are available, ensuring a hassle-free experience for both residents and tourists. Activities in Dubai Marina include zipline and yachting, amongst other activities. The well-planned infrastructure of Dubai Marina ensures that visitors can navigate the district effortlessly, whether they are seeking leisurely strolls along the waterfront promenades or convenient access to the numerous attractions and amenities in the area. Dubai Marina is renowned for its impressive collection of luxurious residential buildings, offering a diverse range of options for those seeking a premium living experience. Among the notable structures in this area, Princess Tower stands out as the tallest residential tower in the world at the time of its completion, providing residents with breathtaking views of the marina and the surrounding cityscape. Tiger Tower, with its distinctive design and modern amenities, offers a comfortable living environment for its residents. Salafa Tower is another iconic building in Dubai Marina, known for its spacious apartments and prime location, offering easy access to the area's many attractions. 23 Marina, a symbol of luxury living, features opulent interiors and exclusive facilities, making it a popular choice for those seeking a lavish lifestyle. Manchester Tower, with its contemporary design and convenient location, provides residents with a comfortable living experience in the heart of Dubai Marina. Elite Residence is also a notable tower in the Dubai Marina, offering residents a sophisticated urban lifestyle with top-notch facilities and stunning views of the marina and Palm Jumeirah, making it an ideal place to rent an apartment in Dubai Marina. Dubai Marina Walk is a scenic promenade in Dubai Marina, a popular waterfront community in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The Marina Walk is a 7-kilometer pedestrian walkway that runs along the marina's edge, offering stunning views of the water, the surrounding high-rise buildings, and the Dubai skyline. The walkway is lined with cafes, restaurants, and shops, making it a popular destination for both residents and tourists alike. Dubai Marina is especially beautiful at night, with the music from the cafes and restaurants and vibrant energy, making a Dubai Marina night walk an unforgettable experience. Dubai Marina Walk is a popular destination for outdoor activities including jogging, cycling, and rollerblading. The walkway is well lit and maintained, making it a safe and enjoyable place to exercise or take a leisurely stroll. While some residents of nearby buildings such as the Marina Pinnacle have mixed views of the area, Marina Walk remains a popular destination for both residents and tourists alike. Dubai Marina stands out as a vibrant hub of dining and entertainment, offering a plethora of options to cater to every taste and preference. The dining scene in Dubai Marina is a culinary delight with a diverse range of restaurants, cafes, and bars that showcase flavors from around the world. From the dining establishments to casual eateries, visitors can indulge in a gastronomic journey like no other. Pier 7, an iconic dining destination in Dubai Marina, is a must-visit for food enthusiasts. This multi-story complex houses a variety of restaurants, each offering a unique dining experience and stunning views of the marina. Whether craving seafood, steak, or international cuisine, Pier 7 has something to satisfy every palate. Notable restaurants in Pier 7 include The Scene by Simon Rimmer, which serves British pub classics and comfort food, and Bedrock, a modern sports restaurant offering dishes that include steak frite, Tajima Wagyu rump, nachos, salads, and Neapolitan pizzas. Dubai Marina Mall is another hotspot for dining and entertainment, featuring a mix of restaurants, cafes, and fast food outlets. Visitors can enjoy a leisurely meal overlooking the marina, or grab a quick bite while exploring the mall's shops and attractions. The mall also hosts events and activities, making it a popular destination for families and friends looking for a fun day out. Dubai Marina Cayan Tower, formerly known as the Infinity Tower, is a 73-story residential tower located in Dubai Marina, UAE, with a height of 306 meters. It is famous for its twisted design, which provides each apartment with stunning views of the Dubai Marina and the Arabian Gulf. The tower features 495 apartments, including 1, 2, 3, and 4 bedroom units, as well as 5 bedroom penthouses. Dubai Marina Cayan Tower is known for its unique twisting shape, with each floor rotated 1.2 degrees from the previous one, resulting in a full 90-degree twist from the base to the top. The tower's structural system is a cast-in-place, high-strength reinforced concrete column superstructure, with the shape and size of the columns determined by wind tunnel testing and 3-dimensional computer modeling. Le Rêve is a 52-story residential tower that stands 220 meters tall. The tower is known for its luxurious interiors and is home to celebrities including retired tennis star Roger Federer. Le Rêve features 80 penthouses, including 4 to 6 bedroom units, with most of them facing the Dubai Marina. The tower also features a range of amenities, including a temperature-controlled rooftop pool, steam room, jacuzzi, kids play area, outdoor garden, business center, lobby with 24 hours concierge services, and separate parking spaces for guests. For those looking for a more luxurious experience, yachting is a popular activity in Dubai Marina. Visitors can charter a yacht for a few hours or a full day and enjoy a private cruise along the marina and beyond. Yacht charter companies in Dubai Marina include Extreme Yacht Dubai, which has an average review score of 4.9 stars across 57 reviews. Exclusive Yachts, which has an average review score of 4.9 stars across over 12,000 reviews. Royal Star Boats Rental LLC, which has an average review score of 4.7 stars across 527 reviews. Furthermore, Dubai Yacht Club or Dubai Marina Yacht Club offers multiple marinas including East Marina, Marina Promenade, Marina Mall, Clubhouse Marina, and West Bay Marina. Dubai Marina Yacht Club also offers exclusive membership benefits and has a rally program for both land and sea. Security in Dubai Marina is generally well regarded, with many buildings and residential complexes employing security personnel and installing CCTV cameras to ensure the safety of residents and visitors. Online reviews and forums have praised the security measures in the area, with residents feeling safe and secure in their homes and surroundings. Maintenance services in Dubai Marina are also highly rated, with many buildings and residential complexes offering 24/7 maintenance services to residents. Maintenance staff are generally responsive and efficient, addressing any issues or concerns promptly. However, some residents have reported occasional delays or issues with maintenance services, particularly in larger buildings with more residents. According to reviews on Hotels.com, the address Dubai Marina Residences has received an exceptional rating of 9.4 based on 6 verified reviews. Guests have praised the hotel's security measures, noting that they feel safe and secure during their stay. Barcelo Residences Dubai Marina has also received positive reviews. A review on TripAdvisor states that the staff are incredibly friendly and welcoming and provide excellent security to everyone in the building. 23 Marina, a luxurious residential building in Dubai Marina, has received positive reviews for its maintenance services. According to a review on Property Finder, the maintenance is good and the security staff are nice and professional. Marina Pinnacle, another high-rise building in Dubai Marina, has received positive reviews for its maintenance and security services. According to a review on Mintaga, the building maintenance is fine and regular cleaning is done. The lifts are also in good condition and the security is good. When it comes to noise levels and traffic in Dubai Marina, residents and visitors have varying experiences and opinions. Construction noise is a common concern in Dubai Marina due to ongoing development projects and building renovations. While some residents have reported disturbances from construction activities, others have noted that noise levels are generally manageable and do not significantly impact their daily lives. Traffic congestion is another issue that residents and visitors may encounter in Dubai Marina, especially during peak hours and on weekends. The area's popularity as a tourist destination and residential hub can lead to increased traffic flow, affecting commute times and overall convenience.